Hi, today I will show you how to stack a tall double-barreled layered cake. To go from this to this. Look at how beautifully stacked this is. This is perfect for decorating and it will make you so proud of your work. So I am starting by oiling the cake pan. So whatever cake pan you used for the cake should be what you will stack it in. And the next is to layer the cake pan with a baking paper or parchment paper. And then I'm lining the inside with the cling film wrap. This enables the cake to come out easily when you're trying to pull the cake out. And then you grab a cake board or cake card and put it inside. And before you start to frost, I did not do that, so I would advise that you line it with a baking paper, a non-stick baking paper. This would enable you to peel off the paper from the frosting, and it will be easy and it won't have to stick really like it did mine when I was trying to pull it off, as you would see later on. And be careful that your frosting is not too stiff, too firm, so it's easy to push to the sides and seep to all those areas that you can't reach. So because the cake is a bit tall and one pan is not enough to stack it, so I'm grabbing the other pan that is the exact same size as the bottom one, and I'm just placing it on top of the cake and just continuing the stacking process. And remember to wrap the pan in cling film also. So the best cake pan that I would advise for this will be a loose base pan or a spring foam pan, because this ones you can easily open it and just pull the cake pan off it, because I've seen a video where the lady literally struggled to pull the stacked cake out of the pan. So I find this very helpful and very easy to do. So now I have refrigerated it overnight. It's set, and I'm pulling out the pan, and I'm going to also peel off the wrap, and so you can see how it turned out. So now this is the part where I struggled really hard with peeling off the cake board, the cake card, because it was really super stuck to the cake. And then I regretted, I should have actually put a baking paper or non-stick parchment paper on it to prevent it from sticking. Or what do you guys think? If you have a suggestion, you can please leave a comment below so we can all learn from it. I would have used the other bottom as the top of the cake. As you can see, there's a bit of crack there and rough edges. So I just decided to go with the top. And I made it work. I just filled it in and smoothed it out. I noticed it's still slanting, and then I realized I didn't really press them down, and because my buttercream was a bit firm, it was a little bit firmer than usual because it was in the fridge before I started to use it. I just left it out for a little while. So I would advise that your frosting is not that firm. It's a bit malleable, like soft enough to use, not too soft but soft enough. And when you stack each layer, remember to press it down like put a bit of weight in it so that they kind of balance out, if you know what I mean. And be careful when you pipe your frosting in between. You want the frosting to be about the same size, because all these little things could affect the straightness of the cake. And yeah, this is the second tier I did, because the cake is meant to be 2-tier cake. So this is a 6-inch cake. I also stacked the same way. I'm not going to show the whole process. I just wanted to show you how it looked. Yeah, and that's it. That's all you have to do. It's easy, and it gives you the peace of mind that you don't have to worry about a wonky looking cake. So thank you for watching, and if you would love to see more videos like this, please do subscribe and leave a comment down below. So till next time, have a lovely day.